Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Onyx Boox Poke 2. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, move to the network settings, then there's the Wi-Fi that you can click on, and here make sure that it's on, otherwise you won't be able to see all of the networks available. If you still can see them, you can click on this button right here to rescan, not the plus button, the one that is next to it. It will rescan for any networks available. Now if you already found a network that you want to connect with, click on it. It may ask for a password if there is one for that network. Enter it. Click on connect. And if the password was correct, you should be connected in a few seconds. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.